SORMAS, the Surveillance Outbreak Response Management and Analysis System. How to use it as a lab manager. As a lab manager, you are responsible to test and verify samples of suspected cases. With SORMAS, your results reach the health facility and the public health service directly and help implementing control measures without delay. By using SORMAS, you can save many lives. For labs, SORMAS works as a web application at a desktop PC or tablet. The first option on your left side menu is the dashboard. Here you'll find an overview of your current tasks, new cases and outbreaks, and other important information. The second menu point lists all your tasks, like specific samples that may have been sent to you by surveillance officers or hospitals. You can filter them by priority and status. Samples can reach you in 3 different ways. First, the sample has been announced via SORMAS, so there is already information on the sample and on the respective patient in the SORMAS database. In that case, you only need to select the respective sample of that case by choosing the identical sample code and add the information for that sample, such as date of sample received at lab, condition of sample, or status of diagnostic. In the second situation, the sample arrives at your lab without prior announcement, but the case patient is already part of the database. All you have to do is to search for the respective case in SORMAS. To do so, choose the suspected case from the Cases tab. Open it and activate the New Sample button. Inside the Create New Sample window, set the date and time of sampling. Choose the material of the sample and suggest a type of test from the drop-down menu. Add the sample code. Add the laboratory and the date of the shipment. If needed, you can add details about the shipment. In the third situation, the sample you receive belongs to a patient that has not yet been entered into SORMAS. This means you have to create a new case. You do so by clicking the Case tab on the left menu bar. Click on New Case. Fill in all available information about the new case and save. After saving, choose the case from the case directory by using the case ID. At the bottom of the case data page, click at New Sample. Add all the information on the sample as described before. Update all progress of the diagnostic procedures into SORMAS. Enter the sample data via the case file or the menu point samples and edit the information. If there is a result from the lab test, add it by pressing New Result. Choose the type of test done. Add date and time and the test result. Please confirm that the result is verified by a supervisor. Add remarks when needed and press the Save button. The test result can now be seen in the case file. The responsible persons like surveillance officer and surveillance supervisor will be notified right away and will take action. If you have to refer the sample to another lab, do so by clicking the Refer to Lab button on the sample page. Fill in any pre-analysis that have been made and update the sample information accordingly. The other laboratory is informed via SORMAS immediately. If you have any questions, review this tutorial again or read the user instructions. You may also contact your supervisor or the SORMAS support team.